Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Casey Cameron. I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I would like to take you on our lot today to show you one of our Sparks certified vehicles. Our certified vehicles include a 7-year, 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. Let's take a look. Here we have a 2015 Toyota Corolla LE Eco Premium. It has a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner and comes equipped with keyless entry, power heated side mirrors, and lightly tinted glass. Its sensible blend of fuel economy, features, versatility, and value make it a compelling choice for small sedan shoppers. This Corolla has 16-inch aerodynamic alloy wheels with wheel covers and all-season tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire with low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Corolla is in great condition. It has auto-off projector beam daytime running headlamps with delay off, along with fog lights and a really nice Argent grille with the iconic Toyota emblem to tie it all together. Under the hood you have a 4-cylinder 1.8 liter engine with a variable transmission. This Corolla has front-wheel drive and is estimated that drivers receive an impressive 34 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget this Corolla has only 21,321 miles on it. At the back of the Corolla you can see the antenna, large brake lights, and sleek chrome badging. Using your key fob, you can open the trunk lid for easy access to the cargo area. Looking to the cargo area, you see it's a very spacious, and the back seats fold down for more space as needed. This cargo area also features cargo lights for packing or unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice that this Corolla has been very well taken care of. Passengers can utilize the fold-down armrest with cup holders, as well as the seat back storage. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice chrome interior accents. Drivers will be very comfortable in the power adjustable and heated leather trimmed seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This Corolla is also equipped with locking glove box, door bins, and a push button start. Here are the easy to reach controls for the power side mirrors, the power door locks and auto lock, and the power windows with driver 1 touch up and down. This Corolla has a very comfortable tilting and telescoping steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well lit instrument cluster. Now here's a feature everyone can enjoy, the tilting and sliding power moonroof. The center stack is home to your Entune premium multimedia and navigation features and is paired with 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with a CD player. It's MP3, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the USB and aux ports. This advanced system even has voice activation. You also have automatic climate controls, and everything that you see is very easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. Thank you for watching. Again, this is a Sparks certified vehicle which includes a 7-year, 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. It also includes a 160-point quality inspection by Toyota certified technicians, a lifetime Sparks Preferred Customer Program membership, a lifetime 10% loyalty parts and service discount, lifetime complimentary rental cars for any service over $400, a lifetime of discounted pickup and delivery for any service work here at Sparks, lifetime complimentary recall checks and Carfax reports, as well as the lifetime vehicle exchange program. We will buy your car anytime. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.